Okay guys, I have a customer and he or she said they want a beautiful blue slime and let's make it for her. I'm gonna go with what about milky? Okay, starting pretty good. Okay. There we go. There we go. Someone passed me because I'm in the friend house and I was waiting and I'm waiting and someone passed me. Like, yeah, I'm gonna add a glitter. And the moons. Oh my gosh. Okay, there you go. I have this, I'm gonna send this to a gift. There we go. I'm gonna do this blue. This is gonna be blue as well. I have to go here. Here I can show you. There we go. There we go. There we go. Hope you like the slime. I'm smiley. There you go. Bye guys. See you around.